behalf of every student, we wish every teacher a happy Teachers' Day.
Welcome you all. Welcome you all in the heart, full of excitement and gratitude.
He is Evan Babu,
And he is Shoyabu, your host for today.
Today is not just an ordinary day. It's a day where we pause and say a heartfelt thank you to our guides, our mentors, and our role models, our teachers.
Every year on September 5th, we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a former president and a great teacher.
Teachers are like foundation for the strong city, unseen yet holding everything. Together, without their guidance, students are like house with their
So without wasting our time, let us get into the celebration organized by the great 10th and 12th students.
And this year, we are celebrating this beautiful bond in a very unique and vibrant way, with the theme Indian Wedding Ceremony.
Yes, as wedding brings together joy, color, emotion, and lifelong bonds. So does a journey of a teacher and student.
So get ready to witness the Shadi special celebration.
Let the the grand celebration of Teachers' Day 2025 begin. So let me call Pritika on stage for the further proceedings.
Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, dedicated teachers, and my dear fellow mates. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a very special occasion, Teachers' Day. Today, we honor and appreciate the guiding lights of our lives. To begin this auspicious occasion, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty. May the light of knowledge guide us always. I now request our respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all the teachers to kindly come forward for the lighting of lamp.
The superheroes who don't wear red caps but they do carry red pens, unlimited patience, and magical powers to give homeworks even on weekends. They are amazing. They have amazing memory, not just for lessons, but also for each of their students. Isn't that truly remarkable? Now let us warmly welcome our fellow students who are confident enough.
माझे प्रिय मित्रांनो, आज शिक्षक दिवसानिमित्त मी तुमच्यासमोर उभी आहे. शिक्षक दिन म्हणजे आपल्या गुरुजनांचा आदर करायचा, त्यांच्या प्रती कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करायचा दिवस. शिक्षक म्हणजे ज्ञानाचा सागर. ते आपल्याला केवळ पुस्तकीय ज्ञानच देत नाही, तर जीवनातील योग्य मार्गही दाखवतात. ते आपल्याला चांगले नागरिक बनवतात. शिक्षकांचे आपल्या जीवनात खूप मोठे स्थान आहे. ते आपल्याला चांगले वाईट, खरे खोटे यातील फरक शिकवतात. मी माझ्या सर्व शिक्षकांचे मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद.
Let's welcome our dancers who are ready to take this Spinsters party to a whole new level.
Get ready for some fun, flair, and unforgettable moves. Let the dance begin. Listen from our teachers add meaning to our lives.
And to celebrate this beautiful bond in a vibrant and cultural way, we now bring to you a Mehndi themed dance performance.
A performance full of grace, colors, and traditions, symbolizing joy, gratitude, and celebrations.
So let the rhythm flow, let the expressions speak, and let the art of dance honor the heart of education, our beloved teacher.
Please welcome the performance with a huge round of applause. Now it's time for a performance that's going to swing you right off your seat.
Your words were perfect tribute to our beloved teachers. अब मैं उनकी प्रेरणा चाहूंगी एक ऐसे छात्रा को जो अपनी भावनाओं को शब्दों में पिरोकर हमारे प्यारे शिक्षकों को समर्पित एक सुंदर भाषण प्रस्तुत करेंगे। तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए पायल फेरे का, जो आज के इस पावन अवसर पर से हमको भाव विभोर करेंगे।
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, आदरणीय अध्यापकगण और मेरे साथियों, आज हम शिक्षक दिवस मना रहे हैं, जो हमारे देश के महान शिक्षक और दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन की जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में मनाया जाता है। शिक्षकों का हमारे जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है। वे हमें ज्ञान प्राप्त करते हैं, हमारे चरित्र का निर्माण करते हैं और हमें जीवन के सही रास्ते पर चलने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं। शिक्षक न केवल हमें किताबी ज्ञान देते हैं, बल्कि वे हमें जीवन के मूल्य और सिद्धांतों को भी सिखाते हैं। आज के इस अवसर पर मैं अपने शिक्षकों को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ और इस पावन क्षण पर मैं आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। धन्यवाद।
एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियों के साथ पायल फेरे का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। Now please welcome Vedika Kale of 10C, who will deliver a speech expressing gratitude and admiration for the teachers. Let's encourage her with a huge round of applause.
Good morning to our esteemed principal, our beloved teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Vedika Kale of class 10C. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day to honor the pillars of our lives, our teachers. It's an honor to welcome you all to this Teachers' Day celebration, a chance to acknowledge the dedication, wisdom, and passion that our educator brings to our lives every day. Teachers are more than just an instructor. They are our mentor, guides, and the architects of future. They ignite the passion for learning and instill in us the courage and curiosity to explore the world and shows us how to dream big. You don't just teach us subject, you shape our character, instilling in us the value of honesty, responsibility, and kindness. You stand by us during difficult times, offering unwavering support and motivation, and helping us to become the best version of ourselves. On behalf of all the students, I want to express our deepest thanks to our teachers. Our teachers adapt to every challenges from traditional classroom to digital platform, always finding a new way to help us learn and grow. Your impact goes far beyond the classroom, and we are extremely grateful for the knowledge, value, and inspiration you share. So, on this special day, we express our deepest gratitude for your tireless efforts and for being the guiding light on our journey. Thank you for believing in us, for your patience, and for making our journey of learning joyful and meaningful. Let's make this a memorable and meaningful celebration for our amazing teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much, Vedika, for that heartfelt and inspiring speech. Your words truly captured the essence of Teachers' Day and reminded us of the invaluable role our teachers play in shaping our lives. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Krishna Sati. Before I dive into my poetic tribute, a quick disclaimer. This poem contains high level of administration, trace of sentimentality, and a slight risk of making you tear up or at least smile awkwardly. After all, how do you thank the people who taught you to hold a pencil and later a mic? So, sit back, smile, and let's give our teachers the kind of tribute that rhymes at least most of the time. They catch us whispering when we think we are asleep. Their vision sharper than a satellite in the sky. They spot our excuses from light years away, still choose kindness every single day. They orbit around patience, they revolve around care. They are the gravity that keeps our chaos in the air. Like stars, they start quietly, bright, guiding us through every wrong and right. With chalks as the wand and book as the cue, they run this wide universe called school. And let's be honest, if teachers ran the galaxy, every planet would come with notes and homework daily. Now, before we get extra homework for laughing too much, let's invite Dhanashri Mohikar who speaks with a heartfelt touch. Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ms. Meena Ma'am, dear teachers, and my fellow friends. I am Dhanashri Mohikar of 10th A. Today, as we gather to celebrate Teachers' Day, I feel blessed to speak about the guiding stars of our lives, our teachers. A teacher is not just someone who explains lessons from a book. A teacher is a painter coloring our minds with knowledge, a gardener nurturing tiny seeds into blossoming flowers, and a candle burning silently to spread light in the darkest corners. I often imagine our school as a little universe. Each classroom is like a planet, alive with its own energy. We, the students, are like stars, some shining brightly, some still learning to glow. And at the heart of this universe are our teachers, the radiant suns who give us warmth, wisdom, and direction. Just as the sun never asks for anything in return, teachers give selflessly, pouring their time, their patience, and their love into shaping us. Even when we drift like lost comets, they gently guide us back into orbit. Even when clouds of doubt cover our skies, they remind us that we can shine like constellations. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we celebrate today, once said that true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. And truly, our teachers do much more than prepare us for exams. They prepare us for life itself. Dear teachers, your words are like galaxies of wisdom. Your encouragement like stardust that makes us sparkle with confidence. You are the reason we dare to dream beyond horizons. The reason we believe that even ordinary stars can shine like the brightest suns. So today, on behalf of all the students, I bow with gratitude and say thank you, dear teachers, for being our guiding lights in this vast universe of learning. And I would like to end with a simple thought. Teachers are the universe's brightest stars, guiding us no matter how far. Their light remains, their wisdom stays, shaping our nights and brightening our days. Wishing all our beloved teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.